Hi, welcome back. I am dyeing my hair black today, as you can tell from the title. I know this is kind of sad. I've had colored hair for the last 2 years, and some of you guys have been here since the very start when I first started dyeing my hair, but I think we are ready for a change. This was not a light decision that I made. I know the last hair dye video I have is from like a couple weeks ago, but that color has faded and I'm just left with like a weird like mix of different colors. I know I could try to use some color remover, but I just think that my hair is on its like last leg. If you can tell, I have maybe 3 or 4 inches of roots, and pretty much my hair has just a ton of buildup of color. I don't even know if you can tell from the camera, but I have like orange here, and then some purple, and then green. It's like slightly green up here, and there's like red somewhere in here. So I think I just need to cover all of this up at this point. Also because I'm starting a new job, well, a new team, but feels like a new job. So I just am ready to go back to black, and I think this is a permanent thing, unless this is falsely labeled as a permanent hair color. But I have this one tube of ion permanent hair color that I hope is enough. I don't actually think it's enough for all of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is maybe just dye like the upper half of my hair and then leave some colored hair down here for old time's sake. So the color that I'm using is jet black, and I honestly should have gone like darker brown because jet black tends to be really harsh. But it is too late now. As usual, I'm just gonna put on my gloves. I actually used some of this already before, so there's like even less hair color, should be fine. And then I'm just gonna start squeezing that out. So I literally just popped open the bottom and squeezing it out like that. This reminds me of frozen honey. If anyone's seen that on TikTok. So that's all of the hair color, which is not a lot. I don't know if I have enough, but we'll just like start from the top and then see how much is left. I think for depositing color, you don't really need that strong of a developer, so 10 volume is enough. And then the ratio is 1:1, so I'm just gonna, oh, I spilled. I'm just adding in like 1:1 roughly ratio of developer. And then I'm going in and mixing, and then this is just white. I think it starts turning dark very quickly, so once I have this mixed, I'm just gonna apply it to my head, and then, yeah. Gotta switch out my glasses again. Also, I think this hair dye is maybe like a couple months old to a year old, so I hope this doesn't expire. Yeah. Anyways, and just so we have a marker for where the hair dye should end, I'm just gonna part my hair like this. And then I think that's good for like the amount that we leave untouched, untainted. Amazing. So I guess I'm just gonna start at the top of my head. So starting with the bangs, I don't know how meticulous I have to be with the actual application. I usually just see people slathering on the dye, so that's what I'm going in and doing. I can literally already see like this piece turning black, so that is pretty cool, but I think I need to work at like a faster pace because I'm a little slow when it comes to dyeing my hair. Mostly covered, oh my god, my hair is so black. I feel like I've mostly covered like all of my hair, actually. I think all of it. So I do have some left, and I didn't think we'd have enough, but I guess we are coloring the remainder of the hair down here. So yes.
Yeah, running, got me gunning again. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I must need overdose of empathy. My pops and me, more screenshots of me. The streets are free, go ahead and take from me.
So I'm pretty sure most of my hair is saturated, and I will just let this sit for another like 15 minutes because it took me a while to get everything colored actually. I think you're supposed to leave it on for like 25 to 35 minutes, but I already had like the color saturated on this side for too long. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wash it in a bit and then come back and see how it turned out. Am I nervous? A little bit, but that's okay. Also, I should check if my hair is gonna fall out. Okay, this is really dark. Okay. Oh, this is weird. Oh my god. Okay. This is the color of my hair now, and this is so weird to look at. I legitimately forgot how my natural hair color used to look, but voila. There we go. I did curl my hair just so we could see the full blown effect of having black hair, and for some reason I feel like I just aged myself by like 10 to 20 years. I feel very old now, and I don't know if it's the hair color actually or if it's just me like getting old now. But yeah, that is my hair, and I think when I middle part it, I don't know, I don't really like when I middle part my black hair for some reason, but you guys can let me know if you like this. But that's my hair, and I think this was like the quickest hair dye video I've ever done. This took maybe like an hour total. The only sad part is now I really can't dye my hair again to another color unless I want to burn off all of my hair, because this is pretty damaged, and I think putting it back to black is probably the healthier decision. Probably gonna take me like 2 years to grow back this length with just natural hair. So let's just like leave it like that for the time being. I don't know, maybe I should do something like cut it. Okay, we'll see. And then as usual, I just want to do like a few cute hairstyles to top it all off. So I have a hair clip, then just pulling out my bangs. This is cute hairstyle number 1. It's pretty cute, I think. By the way, this is the back. I don't think I showed you guys at all. Pretty sure my curls have already disintegrated, but there's the back of the hair. I hope it is colored evenly. I did not check after I washed my hair. There's definitely like a couple of strands of like blonde / yellow hair in there, but overall it just looks black at this point. And then obviously ponytail is classic, and I think now that I have black hair it'll look nicer just because I used to have like a blonde ponytail and then a black set of like roots, so now my ponytails are gonna look less chaotic, and that is a ponytail. So that is the spontaneous hair video for today, and let us take a moment to appreciate just healthy hair again. Well, this is still not healthy, but it's getting there. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think of my hair now. And as always, if you like my face, please like and subscribe. And if you don't like my face, please also like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.